Welcome to our podcast, where we cover unique and interesting stories for you. In this episode, we will discuss a groundbreaking discovery of radio waves that traveled 8 billion years to reach Earth, sparking speculation about signs of alien life. An unknown event occurred in a distant galaxy some 8 billion years ago, which sent a very powerful blast of radio waves across the universe. Now, after traveling for 8 billion years, the radio signals finally reached Earth, only to last less than a thousandth of a second. However, a radio telescope installed in Australia somehow was able to pick up the signal. The flash, which took place in the cosmos 8 billion years ago and has now been detected, was a fast radio burst, which is a little understood phenomenon first found in 2007. The astronomers found that this specific fast radio burst was more powerful and came from a much farther place, which has not been recorded yet. It was also determined that the cosmic event occurred when the universe was less than half its current age. Astronomers have till now not been able to find what exactly leads to fast radio bursts, making them one of the greatest astronomical mysteries. A lot of theories have been given to scientists to explain its occurrence, with a Harvard University professor even suggesting that the radio signals might be signs of alien life, CBS News reported. However, distant dead stars, known as magnetars, are held as prime suspects by the scientists, since they are the most magnetic objects in the universe. Astrophysicist at Australia's Swinburne University, Ryan Shannon, while speaking to AFP, said that it was mind-blowing that the radio burst was spotted by the ASCAP radio telescope in Western Australia last year. "We were lucky to be looking at that little spot in the sky for that 1 millisecond after the 8 billion years the pulse had traveled to catch it," said Shannon, who was also co-author of a study which spoke about the find in the journal Science. He said that this specific fast radio burst easily defeated the previous record holder, which was only 5 billion light-years away. According to him, the radio signal's pulse was very powerful, and it released the same amount of energy which the sun emits over 30 years. Shannon did not deny the possibility of hundreds of thousands of FRBs flashing across the sky every day. However, even though thousands of them have been detected till now, scientists have just managed to figure out where 50 of them came from. The researchers decided to use the Very Large Telescope in Chile to understand where the latest radio burst, known as FRB 2022061A, came from. This came from the signal, which originated from a particularly clumpy galaxy which may have merged with one or two other galaxies, and hence created the bizarre magnetar. That's all from this podcast. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this episode, be sure to subscribe and share your thoughts in the comments. Stay connected for more exciting discussions and updates in our next podcast.